Hello guys! So, good evening. Gusto niyo po bang malaman kung ano yung mga best practices in creating reels? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Watch this. Okay, so go to your FB account. And then, from your FB account, go to your profile. So, proceed to your professional dashboard. After that, you click Insights. So, from Insights, you can see there your earnings. So, may see all dyan. So, scroll down nyo yung see all dyan. At you will see there yung mga videos nyo na may earnings. So, ayan. Ang pinili ko ay yung aking 60th birthday celebration. So, makikita nyo dyan yung overview. Then, scroll down ninyo. Makikita nyo dyan yung mga best practices. So, ano yung mga best practices? So, 8 po yung dapat nating ma-meet na criteria. Ano-ano yung 8 na yon? So, una, share your reel to your story. Next, share your reel to a group. Write a caption. Add hashtags to your caption. Edit with at least one creative tool. Make sure that your reel is not muted. Keep your reel between 50 and 90 seconds. And last, ensure that your reel is at least 720 resolutions. So, lately ko lang yan nalaman, kaya pag-uusahin ko pa lalo na. Sana po nakatulong at for more tips, follow and share na lang po. Thank you!